Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience using this service. Today, we're diving into HSBC, specifically their US operations at us.hsbc.com. Navigating the world of international banking can be tricky, so I wanted to share my insights into HSBC's offerings and online platform in the United States. This website serves as the main portal for accessing HSBC services for US-based customers. Here you can find information on a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, loans, and investment options. Depending on your specific financial goals, HSBC may offer solutions tailored to your needs, from everyday banking to wealth management. The website itself is designed to be user-friendly, with clearly labeled sections for personal banking, business banking, and global banking. You can also find resources related to financial planning, market insights, and other helpful tools. HSBC emphasizes its global reach and connectivity, highlighting its presence in numerous countries and its ability to facilitate international transactions. This can be particularly attractive to individuals or businesses with international financial interests. However, it's important to remember that banking regulations and available services can differ between countries, even within the same institution. So be sure to explore the specifics relevant to your location. One of the key features of HSBC's online platform is its focus on digital banking. You can access your accounts, manage transactions, pay bills, and transfer funds securely through their website or mobile app. This convenience allows you to handle your banking needs from virtually anywhere. Additionally, HSBC provides various customer support options, including phone support, email, and secure messaging through their online platform. Before making any financial decisions, it's always a good idea to do thorough research and compare different banking options. Consider your individual needs, fees, interest rates, and the level of customer service offered. While this overview focuses on the US website, HSBC has a broad international presence, so its services and features might vary in other regions. Check out the description below for the direct link to the us.hsbc.com website, so you can explore it further for yourself. Thanks for watching.